How to download Scarlet in iOS or Android. So if you want to download Scarlet in your iOS or your Android, then what you need to do is just go with a browser. You can go with browser. So for example, I'll be choosing Chrome browser. Once you're under the browser, now you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for usescarlet.com, and here it will take you to the website. So simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will get install option. You just need to simply tap on install. Once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So tap on install again, and you might need to download the proxy browser to install the Scarlet. And here you will have the direct install option. You can simply go with the direct install and you'll be able to install the Scarlet. So that's how you can download or install the Scarlet on your iOS or your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.